Morning 11 Science. I am Deepa Seth. Today we are going to discuss Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. This is a part of chemical combination. We have studied, as you know, law of conservation of mass, second, law of definite composition, third, law of multiple composition, then law of reciprocal proportion, and today we are discussing another law of this Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume. Now, this scientist, he studied many reactions of different gases. One word which I uttered is reaction of gases. Yes. What he observed? He observed that there is a relationship between reacting gases and their volumes, and he generalized it as a law. This law says when gases react with each other, they do so in volume which bear simple whole number ratio to one another, and to the volume of product if these are also gases, provided all volume are measured under similar condition of temperature and pressure. It is pressure. So, I am again telling you example. For example, if I say 1 part of hydrogen gas is reacting with 1 part of chlorine to give 2 parts of hydrogen chloride. It means 1 unit combining with 1 unit of chlorine to the 2 unit. Simple ratio is 1:1:2, as you can see diagrammatically also. Now 1 unit means it can be 100 ml, 100 ml, 200 ml, and if I write here instead of 100 ml I can write 500, then it will be 500 ml, 500 ml, and here it will be 1000 ml. This you have to bear in your mind. It has a simple whole number ratio. Now in a second example, we see hydrogen gas is combining with oxygen gas and giving 2 moles of water gas, that 2 units of water gas, because he is not discussing moles, he is talking about volume. Again, it bears a ratio 2:1:2. Diagrammatically we also depicted it, so it will be more clear to you. 200 लीटर, यूनिट आप कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, but it should be same in all the species. 200 liter of hydrogen combines with 100 liter of oxygen to give 200 liters of water. Now I am asking you one numerical. Let's discuss it. What we see here. Now, methane gas. You all know that in 10th you have studied methane's formula is CH4. And combustion of hydrocarbon gases always give carbon dioxide and water. So, methane gas is reacting with oxygen gas to give carbon dioxide gas plus water in a liquid state. So, Gay-Lussac's law is not applicable to water. It is applicable only up to carbon dioxide, because methane and oxygen both are gases and carbon dioxide is also a gas. And he find out experimentally the ratio is 1:2:1. Now I am giving you a numerical. If you have 100 ml of methane, how much volume of oxygen is required? अब बच्चे अगर 100 ml मीथेन है तो आपको ऑक्सीजन की कितनी ज़रूरत है? नेचुरली अगर 1:2 रेशो है तो अगर आप यहाँ पे 100 ml लिखते हैं, यू राइट हेयर 100 ml, तो इट विल बिकम 200 ml. That means 100 ml of methane use 200 milliliter of oxygen. Similarly, 100 ml of methane will give same 100 ml of carbon dioxide as is given in equation. Actually, later on we depicted that this ratio of volume is same as molar ratio, same as molar ratio, and we are going to discuss afterwards. Now आपको मैंने बोला यहाँ पे वाटर पे ये लॉ नहीं लगेगा. वाई? The answer is simple. Water is in liquid state, so it is not applicable. I am here giving you some numericals in assignment which you are going to solve. First is which of the following follows law of conservation of mass. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको कुछ रिएक्शंस दिए हुए हैं और बेटा अगर आपका लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास अप्लाई होगा तो आपके रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? इक्वेशन जो है ये बैलेंस्ड होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड, अदरवाइज लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मास इज़ नॉट एप्लीकेबल. ये आपको बताना है. सेकंड मैंने बोला है आपको एलिमेंट्स की कंपाउंड में रेशियो निकालनी है, जैसा कि आपको लॉ ऑफ डेफिनाइट प्रपोर्शन बताता है. One I have solved like water H2O, 2 moles of water and 1 mole of oxygen. So water का weight कितना है? 2:16. सिंपल रेशियो इज 1:8. यही चीज़ आपको कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड CH4 में बताना है. सो इट वुड बी क्लियर to you also, and even I came to know how much knowledge you have gained. Then one more numerical I have asked you to make clear the next law, that is law of constant composition and law of multiple proportion. So here as you can see there are two oxides of copper, red oxide and black oxide. Red oxide, yes, it has formula Cu2O, while black oxide has formula CuO. And when we see their ratio which combined with a fixed mass of oxygen, it is 2 into 63.5 and it is 63.5 which is the atomic mass of copper, and oxygen का atomic mass क्या है? 16. तो अगर हम इन दोनों कंपाउंड्स में कॉपर की रेशियो ऑब्जर्व करें तो इट विल बियर अ सिंपल होल नंबर रेशियो, दैट इज़ 2:1. That is all for today. On Friday you will have test of chemical combination of laws. Any doubt you can ask me. Thank you.